Guys, what's shaking? I'm here at the Long Way Home Trail. It's a mountain bike trail slash hiking trail. It's probably gonna do about 6K. It starts by going straight up. I've never done this trail before, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, there's a rope too. So the sign says 10 kilometers, but I'm not doing the whole loop or the whole way. I think I should come back here in the winter. It's or in the summer. It would definitely be quite beautiful through here. You got all these like mossy trees and whatnot, and I think it would be a lot better in the summer or late spring. Everything would be so green and lush. Oh, and then we get a little bridge here too. I always love little bridge crossings and whatnot, so. This trail is located in Sumas Regional Park. It's quite nice here so far. This is kind of cool. Like a bunch of trees that are all natural arbors and whatnot. I had to completely duck underneath everything. Wow, look at this tree. The root structure on it is massive. My, wow. If you ever wanted to sleep underneath it, you could. So there's a few steeper sections on this trail, but for the most part, it's pretty accessible to a lot of people. It's not technical at all like my last trail, or I guess Dragon's Back. Just a little steep. Not too bad. So here's the first viewpoint. It's not as great, but we'll see what establishes. So here's the start of the loop. It's like 2 kilometers around. And I think there is one viewpoint, so hopefully we get it according to the map, so we'll see. Yeah, there's a disc golf course here that people play, and seen 3 of the holes so far. So here's the first good viewpoint. Yeah, it's definitely good. Definitely works for me, especially staying low this time of year. Yeah, it's not too bad at all. It's quite nice. Awesome. The sun is out, and it's only like 10 a.m. this morning, and it's quite a nice day for December. So here is another viewpoint, and quite a nice like mossy rock section. Yeah, as you can see, the sun just glaring in my face. So here we have the third viewpoint. They're pretty much all close together, it seems like. So, I mean, the loop was only like a kilometer or 2 around, which is pretty short, but I mean, if you get views like this, it's still nice. The beauty about this trail is you don't have to go down the same trail, so you get something new. There's 2 trails that go up together pretty much. So So yeah, this was definitely a short hike. I am meeting up with a friend after this to go to the gym, and got some other stuff to do today, so gotta make it down. Definitely loving the sun through the trees right now. This is just magical. Wow, would you look at this? This is quite amazing too. This is just down the road once you get down to the bottom. Just across the street. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I am gonna post it on Strava if you guys want to follow it. I did roughly like 4K. Was planning on 6, but just ran out of time. So, alright, time to go to the gym and get some other stuff done today. Peace.